What's going on, guys? Zach back here with 570 Fishing, and I just realized I didn't make an intro for this video. So this is actually the end of the day. Nick and I are at a kayaking trip right now, and we just kayak fished the Penn's Creek. So you guys definitely need to stay tuned and watch this. We catch a ton of fish, and it was so much fun. So please comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. All right, here we are, baby. See if we can catch some smallmouth bass. Hopefully it's pretty good. We'll catch in a bit. Oh, that's a good fish, dude. Oh, buddy. I'm soaking wet too. I'm about to hit the whitewater. Yeah, boy! Boys and girls, just caught this beautiful smallmouth. Awesome fish. See you, baby. So I pretty much just went backwards through all those rapids, but we caught a sweet fish there. That was awesome. I actually caught that on a little minnow jerkbait thing, a Rapala, and it's shaping up to be a pretty decent day. So we're gonna try to get Nick on some of these fish. Oh man, I'm so freaking jacked. Let's go, baby. Woo-hoo. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a runner. Holy hell. Woo. Fat little freaking belly on that. See you, buddy. Yeah. There's another one. There's another nice little fish. Nice and chunky. And goodbye. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo. Hey, goodbye. That was a damn good save. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, how excited are you?
I'm wet as hell.
Yeah, dude, they'll soak you. Look at that little some bee. If that doesn't make you so freaking jacked, I don't know what does. Freaking right. There we go, bud. What do you think?
Excited, dude.
Heck yeah, bud. Boom! Oh, I'm so freaking jacked! Woohoo! No fucking way. Oh my god.
These things want it.
Yo, I am soaked.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, my just got soaked.
Yeah, my ass got wet.
All right, boys and girls. This is the 570 Fishing midday update right now. We just went through rapids and got freaking soaked. You guys probably saw that. Eating some sunflower seeds, getting some good sodium in for the day. Before we go, oh boy, more rapids.
Dude.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly in this spot. The creek's a little high at this point. I should probably put my phone down and freaking paddle.
Dude, the waves are going to pass though.
Well, this has been pretty fun, so hopefully once we get past this one area, this one campground, we can catch a few good fish. This is gnarly, dude. What do you think? All right, we'll catch you guys later. Woo! There we go. That's what it feels like. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, I just got oh, that's a good one. Just got cranked. Look at that fish. Oh, that's nice, yo. Oh boy, that's a toad. Oh, that's a great fish, bud. Give him a nose piercing. Cue the epic slow-mo release montage. That's a freaking wrap. Hey.